Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Kelvin Johnson. In this video, I'm going to show you how to bypass the Windows 11 TPM 2.0, which is required by Microsoft for installing Windows 11. So let's say you try to install Windows 11 and your device does not meet the requirement of the TPM 2.0. Probably you are using the TPM 1.1 or 1.0 and you were not able to install Windows 11. So during the installation process, you may receive an error message which says this PC can't run Windows 11 because this PC don't meet the minimum system requirement to install this version of Windows. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to solve that problem. So what happens is this: during the installation process, before when you start your device and your device will try to it will give you a Windows setup, and during the process it will try to check if you meet that requirement. When you don't meet that requirement, it's going to actually show you a pop-up by displaying that your device Windows cannot run on this PC. But I'm going to show you how to solve that. So what you need to do is during that process, when you get to the setup issue whereby you receive that error message, what you need to do is to press Shift and F12, probably on your window, depends on the version of with laptop you are using, or desktop, maybe HP, Lenovo. So I'm going to just press Shift F12 or F10, and let me see, Shift plus F10. So it's going to actually bring up the command prompt. So in this command prompt, what we need to do is we need to actually start the registry. Oh, sorry, Regedit. So if you start the Regedit, we are going to actually create a reg file in the HKey local machine, and we're going to create that under the HKey local machine and under let me see, I think it should be under system and here under setup. So what we need to do first, we are going to create a new key, and this we are going to call it lab config. And also in the lab config key, we're going to create two dword. So the first one is we're going to create a dword which is 32-bit. The first one is going to be called bypass. Sorry, my keyboard is actually changing because I'm using Azeti, so I need to actually check because right now it's changed to QWERTY because I'm using the command prompt from the installation process of Windows. So bypass, then secure boot check, and then we have to change the data to 1. Okay, caps lock is off. So 1, and then okay. So we're going to create a second one, which is the bypass TPM check. So we're going to create a D132. I want to say it's going to be bypass TPM check. So we're going to change this value to 1 as well. So what happens is this: so during the installation process, your device will not check if the TPM is configured on your Windows 10 or on your laptop. So it's going to actually bypass the TPM check, which is going to allow you to install Windows 11 without any issue. So what you need to do is just close this and then close this again, and then we can, let me just select the right keyboard, and then we can then continue with the installation process without a problem. But mind you, I'm doing this on the virtual machine. That's why I'm not getting that error which says my device does not meet the requirement to run Windows 11. But if you are doing this on a physical device, definitely, and you don't have the right TPM, you're in like TPM 1.0 or 1.1, you're going to get that error message. And I'm going to show you a different method how to recreate your ISO file so that your device is not going to will bypass the TPM check during the installation process. So now I can just click next and accept the license terms, and then click next, and then we can actually just install Windows and then click next to start the installation process without any issue. So, but mind you, before, even if you bypass the TPM mode, the TPM 2.0, but you will need to also make sure that your device have at least a minimum of 4 GB of memory before you should be able to upgrade your device to Windows 11 or do a fresh install using an ISO file. My name is Kelvin Johnson. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more IT related video, and also just give me a thumb up for taking my time to create this video. So, and also please, if you have any question or comments, you can always leave your comment in the description of this video.